Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Harvey, local and long-distance movers near me. We ensure your long-distance move happens in a timely manner without stress. Whether you're moving one state over or you need to move across the nation, we're here to assist you. By using the best abilities and moving services to help you, any type of move, big or small, becomes so much easier. Along with the general long-distance moving solutions, we also provide each of the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Choosing to work with a local Illinois moving company may not seem like it's worth the cost. However, when you start to notice the conveniences, the price seems to be well worth it. You are going to certainly save time with your local relocation when you hire a moving company. Minimizing the heavy lifting also provides yet another advantage you get from working with the right local movers. When you choose our movers, you get professionals ready to make your local move super simple. When moving with a local company such as 3 Movers, you obtain a streamlined solution for moving day. We can easily compete even the largest moves in just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Harvey moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form. Pack